So, the fact that we got through a performance without any profanities being thrown at one another, I think deserves an extra round of applause. And it wouldn't have happened without the drive that sounded out of us. So,